Outside, I want to take you on a little sky cam tour, show you it's still below freezing in Portland. Look at Mount Hood. So much snow on Mount Hood right now. The Mount Hood Sandy Basin running about 133% of average snowpack for this time of the year. Mount Hood Meadows, another view there, and a lot of happy skiers and boarders. Less wind up there, still a bit breezy, but bluebird conditions. You can see those white caps there at the Skamania Lodge. The east wind confined to the west end of the gorge, still quite breezy there, but the rest of the metro area, things have settled down quite a bit. 36 with blue skies and sunshine there in Lincoln City. Yesterday we had a nice little dusting of snow in Lincoln City. Here's a look at current wind gusts. Right now Gresham gusting 10 miles per hour, 19 miles per hour in Corbett, Washougal 25 miles per hour. So that's making temperatures in the 30s feel much colder. Your weather headlines going into the weekend: sunny and cold through tomorrow. Tomorrow a repeat of today, but I think morning lows will be a couple of degrees colder than today. This is the coldest day we've had in more than 700 days out at PDX. Less east wind, that's until Saturday when things begin to change. A period of snow starting Saturday afternoon around Portland, transitioning to freezing rain overnight. It looks like the east wind keeps the metro and the gorge icy through Sunday. So here's what's going to happen. We have the cold air spilling out of Canada. It's been really cold all week long and will remain cold through Saturday. This system clashes with the cold air. The moisture moves in on top of the cold air we have in place, and that's when we see that winter weather develop. So here's the timeline. We've had a few clouds east of the Cascades. Those are starting to break up. Even a few flurries reported in central and eastern Oregon this morning. That's all over and done with, and sunshine dominates the afternoon. Overnight, clear skies. That means another bitter cold morning tomorrow. 7 o'clock, potentially a few patches of freezing fog, but that's the only excitement we get on Friday. You'll notice those clouds increasing along the coast by 8 o'clock in the evening Friday night, and then here come those changes. So 8 o'clock in the morning Saturday, the Willamette Valley is dry. In fact, Portland may wake up to sunshine Saturday morning, but you'll notice there's snow to the south and some rain to the south out along the coast. By 11 o'clock, it's snowing in Bend, it's snowing in Burns, the Central Cascades, we have snow. You'll notice the central and southern Willamette Valley, a wintry mix. So freezing rain or sleet, it looks like. Then this will continue to move north. By about lunchtime, it's best if you stay home after lunch on Saturday, because we'll start as sleet or freezing rain around Portland. That cold air rushing out of the gorge. The east wind's going to pick up again, and we'll continue with wintry precipitation, I think, at least around the metro all night long and into Sunday. You can see all that moisture that's still around on Sunday. Meantime, the central and southern valley, I think, will thaw out on Sunday with warmer temperatures moving in. It's just going to take some time around the metro and the gorge to warm up because of that cold east wind. So out along the coast, showers develop Saturday. Not expecting much in the way of winter precipitation at the coast. High of 42 Saturday, 45 on Sunday. How about the Willamette Valley? Well, it depends where you are in the valley. I think all of us will see some form of winter precipitation on Saturday. 31 the high in Portland Saturday. Initially, I think a period of snow, then transitioning to freezing rain with the southern valley thawing out late in the day Saturday. Sunday, freezing rain, especially in the northern Willamette Valley through the gorge. Those east winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be very windy in the gorge. Snow, the dominant form of precipitation, especially as you head east between Cascade Locks and the Dalles, both Saturday and Sunday. I think the west end of the gorge on Sunday will transition over to freezing rain. In the Cascades, snow Saturday. I think the snow level rises to about 5,500 feet on Sunday, so that could mean some freezing rain even over the mountain passes. And finally, central Oregon, snow developing on Saturday again by mid-morning around Bend, high of 30 degrees, and then a wintry mix on Sunday. Your 7-day forecast now. Today and tomorrow, really nice, sunny with highs in the mid-30s, just frigid mornings. This weekend, pretty complicated. So again, if you do not have to travel, it's best to stay home, be prepared for really treacherous conditions on the roadways. Monday through Wednesday of next week, temperatures in the 40s with rain, but the gorge, it may take until Tuesday to thaw out.
Yeah, I bet a lot of events get canceled over the weekend if they haven't been already. Yeah,
there's a bad library opening in Aloha, and I got a tweet. Please hold off the snow until after that's over. It's at 11 o'clock, so as long as people are home by noon, 1 o'clock, I think they'll be okay.
All right, thanks, Sally. You're watching KOIN 6 News.